Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: faulty pressure relief valve in a kitchen faucet. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Troubleshooting steps. If you are experiencing any of the above issues with your kitchen faucet, it's time to troubleshoot the pressure relief valve. Follow these step-by-step instructions to diagnose and potentially resolve the problem. Turn off water supply. Before you begin any troubleshooting, shut off the water supply to the faucet. Locate the shut-off valves under the sink and turn them clockwise to close the water supply. Remove the faucet handle. Use a screwdriver or an Allen wrench to remove the handle of the faucet. Look for a small cap on top of the handle that covers the screw holding it in place. Remove the screw and then gently pull the handle off. Inspect the pressure relief valve. Once the handle is removed, you should see the pressure relief valve located inside the faucet body. Check for any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or debris that may be obstructing the valve. Clean the valve. If the pressure relief valve appears dirty or clogged, use a soft brush or cloth to clean the valve and remove any debris that may be blocking it. Be gentle to avoid damaging the valve. Check for leaks. Turn the water supply back on and observe the pressure relief valve for any signs of leaking water. If you notice water leaking from the valve, it may need to be replaced. Adjust the pressure settings. Some pressure relief valves have adjustable settings that allow you to regulate the pressure threshold. Consult the manufacturer's instructions to see if your valve can be adjusted and make any necessary changes. Replace the valve. If cleaning and adjusting the valve do not resolve the issue, you may need to replace the pressure relief valve. Contact the manufacturer or a professional plumber to find a compatible replacement valve. Reassemble the faucet. Once you have addressed the pressure relief valve issue, reassemble the faucet handle by following the reverse of the removal steps. Make sure the handle is securely attached and test the faucet for proper functionality. Test the faucet. Turn on the water supply and test the faucet to ensure that the water pressure is back to normal and that there are no more leaks or fluctuations in water flow. Troubleshooting a faulty pressure relief valve in a kitchen faucet can be a straightforward process if you follow the correct steps. By identifying the common signs of a malfunctioning valve and following the troubleshooting guide provided in this article, you can diagnose the issue and potentially restore your faucet to optimal functionality. Remember to exercise caution when working with plumbing components and consult a professional if you encounter any challenges during the troubleshooting process. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a faulty pressure relief valve in a kitchen faucet. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.